We bet no one saw this coming when Samsung's sleek Galaxy S25 Edge, designed to challenge Apple's ultra-thin iPhone Air, marked both a debut and a finale together. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. According to widespread leaks and insider reports, the tech giant Samsung has pulled the plug on the Galaxy S26 Edge just 5 months after the S25 Edge hit the market. Samsung was aiming to capture the ultra-thin market with lightweight flagship phones, and the S25 Edge seemed up for success, as well as it featured a stylish design that turned heads, but it didn't manage to get sales. With just 1.31 million units sold globally, the S25 Edge fell drastically short of expectations. Meanwhile, the standard Galaxy S25 moved 8.28 million units, and the premium S25 Ultra reached 12.18 million. Leakers like Ice Universe and On Leaks have declared the S26 Edge is definitely gone. If that's true, this means the war between Apple and Samsung for the ultra-thin phone is already over. Rather than doubling down, Samsung appears to be retreating to its core lineup. Reports say the company is now focusing solely on the upcoming Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra models, leaving the Edge variant out of the picture entirely. Although Samsung has not officially confirmed the cancellation yet, but sources suggest that once S25 Edge stock runs out, it won't be available again. This could be the dead end for fans of the slim and stylish Edge line. This defeat is a clear sign that even in the flagship world, sleek alone isn't enough and sales still rule. Were you a fan of the Edge series? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.